It's been more than a decade that PCs and smartphones have been out there, living side by side, not really talking to one another. And what we find ourselves doing as users is whenever we need to do something on our PCs, playing a game, browsing our favorite website, working on a document, we actually need to stop every 5 minutes to take a look at our phone, because so many things that we do today are being done on this device. We saw it as a great opportunity to finally take those two devices that have been out there for so long and make them work better together. The world is being dominated by those big operating systems that are not really working well with each other. There's Windows, there's Android, there's iOS, and those are not really talking to one another. I'm sure you've all been in a situation when you took a photo on your phone and you wanted to have it on your PC. Or you had a document on your PC that you wanted to read on your commute. How would you do that? So back in the days, you would simply send yourself an email, go to that email, copy and paste, and use it. The new innovation that we're introducing allows you to wirelessly transfer the file from your phone to your PC and vice versa, even without internet connection. We wanted to bring that same level of PC-smartphone integration into VR. In VR, one of the things that limits the VR gaming sessions is simply the fact that once you're in VR, you're simply totally disconnected from the outside world. I saw gamers, while they're in VR, taking their phone, putting it in their pocket, and each time it vibrates, they need to take off the VR headset and check out what's going on. This is not really a way to game. The way it works, you can game in VR right now when you're expecting a friend to come by, but that friend is late. You don't need to worry about it. You can continue playing that game because whenever that friend is going to call you, you're going to see that notification somewhere on the floor. It's not going to disturb you, and you can simply say, answer that call. What happens if you want to see who's outside at the door and you want to game at the same time? You can simply take out a 3D virtual model off your phone and operate it with your fingertips inside the VR experience. One of the biggest technical challenges that we were facing after coming up with this idea was simply the fact that we do not own the operating system. So there were many things that we did not have access to make those operating systems work better together. With the introduction of cloud, AR, and AI, it really means that the devices is not going to limit your application and your experience. In 20 years from now, the boundaries of devices and operating systems are not going to be there. You're simply going to be able to access any application that you care about, anytime, anywhere, on any device.